This video I will explain PhonePay QR code. When you go to a shop today, you often see a square box with black patterns. This is called a QR code and it is widely used with PhonePay for easy payments. What is a PhonePay QR code? A QR code is a square barcode that stores payment details. QR code stands for Quick Response Code. In PhonePay, the QR code contains shop or person's UPI ID, payment information. When you scan it, you don't need to type any details. Payment becomes quick and easy. What is UPI in this process? UPI stands for Unified Payments Interface. UPI allows instant money transfer from your bank account to another bank account. Now we will see how PhonePay QR code works. Step 1. Open PhonePay. You have to open the PhonePay app on your phone. Step 2. Tap Scan. You have to click the scan option. Your phone camera will open. Step 3. Scan the QR code. You have to point your camera at the QR code. PhonePay will automatically read the code. Step 4. Enter the amount. You have to enter the payment amount or confirm if the amount is already shown. Step 5. Enter the UPI PIN. UPI PIN is a secret number which is used to approve payments. You must enter this to complete the payment. Step 6. Payment completed. Once you enter the PIN, money is deducted from your bank account. Receiver gets the money instantly. Now we will see the real life example. Ravi buys groceries worth of 500 rupees. Instead of paying cash, he opens PhonePay, scans the shop's QR code, enters 500 rupees, enters his UPI PIN, and the payment is done in seconds. Another real life example. Priya goes to a tea shop. The shop shows the QR code. She scans the QR code and pays 20 rupees instantly. Even small payments are very easy. Now we will see types of PhonePay QR codes. First one is static QR code. Static QR code is a fixed QR code. You must enter the amount manually. This one is used in small shops. Second one is dynamic QR code. Dynamic QR code already contains the payment amount. You no need to type the amount. Dynamic QR code is used in malls and large stores. Why QR code payments are popular? You no need to carry cash. You no need to remember bank details. Payments are fast and instant. This service works 24/7. This process is easy for both customers and shops. Important safety tips. Always check the receiver name before paying. Never share your UPI PIN. Do not scan unknown QR codes. Now we will see the summary. A PhonePay QR code stores payment details. You scan the QR code using PhonePay to make payments. Money is transferred using UPI. Payment is confirmed using a UPI PIN. QR code makes payments fast, easy, and cashless.